Welcome to Viewiz.com. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to raise a ticket if you need help. It's quick and easy. First, go to Viewiz.com and log in with your username and password. If you don't have an account, make sure to sign up first. Once you're logged in, click the menu box on top right of the web page and click on You will see Ticket option in drop-down menu. Click on it to open the support page. Fill out the form by choosing the type of issue like order, payment, or other. Next, enter your order ID and write a clear and detailed message about your issue, making sure to include all important details. Also, enter your contact information so that the support team can reach you. If you have any screenshot or video related to your issue, then attach files. This is optional. Then, click the Submit button to send your ticket to the support team. You should receive a confirmation message or email, which means the support team has received your request and will contact you soon. And that's it. You've successfully raised a ticket on Viewiz.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, we're here to help whenever you need it.